Section 5. Safety First. Advanced Safety Features of the EV6. The 2024 Kia EV6 is designed to keep you and your loved ones safe. It's packed with advanced safety features and driver assistance systems that provide peace of mind on every journey. Kia understands that safety is paramount, especially in the world of electric vehicles. The EV6 comes standard with an impressive suite of safety features, including autonomous emergency braking, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and adaptive cruise control. These systems work together to prevent accidents and keep you safe on the road. In addition to these active safety features, the EV6's robust body structure is designed to absorb and dissipate impact energy in the event of a collision. This ensures the safety of the occupants in the unfortunate event of an accident. With its comprehensive safety package, the EV6 gives you peace of mind to enjoy the ride. Section 6. Tailored to you, trim levels and pricing. The 2024 Kia EV6 is available in a range of trim levels, each offering a unique combination of features and pricing to suit your needs and budget. Whether you're looking for a value-packed base model or a fully loaded top-of-the-line variant, there's an EV6 for everyone. The base model EV6 offers exceptional value for money, with a long list of standard features including LED headlights, a 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system, and a suite of advanced safety features. For those who want more luxury and performance, higher trim levels add features such as leather upholstery, a panoramic sunroof, a head-up display, and a more powerful motor. Pricing for the 2024 Kia EV6 varies depending on the trim level and options you choose. However, Kia has priced the EV6 competitively within the electric vehicle market, making it an accessible and attractive option for a wide range of buyers. Contact your local Kia dealer for the most up-to-date pricing and financing options.